Hi, I'm Bella. Welcome to my channel. If you are a first-time buyer looking to source lighting products from China, this video is for you. I will walk you through everything you need to know, from finding the right suppliers to avoiding common pitfalls. Let's get started. China is the largest lighting manufacturing hub, and Zhongshan's Guzhen is the capital, home to over 20,000 lighting factories. Here's why you should consider sourcing here. Huge variety. From LED bulbs to smart lighting, you will find everything. Competitive prices. Direct factory deals means lower costs. One-stop sourcing. Design, production, and logistics all in one place. Before you book your flight, here's what you must research. Your target market. Are you selling to Europe, the US? Different regions have different certificate requirements, like CE, UL, FCC. Minimum order quantity, MOQ. Some factories require 500 pieces, while others accept small orders. Payment terms, TT, bank transfer, LC, letter of credit, or other trade assurance. Logistics and import taxes. Where you ship by air or sea, what are the customs duties in your country? Once you arrive in China, follow these steps. Visit the major markets like Xingguang Alliance for high-end lights and Huayi Plaza for mid-range. Meet suppliers, negotiate. Ask about MOQ, lead time, and customization options. Request samples. Test quality before placing book orders. Finance license contracts. Clarify warranty, returns, and quality control. Arrange shipment. Use a freight forwarder to handle customs. Watch out for these issues. Language barriers. Bring a translator or use apps like Google Translate. Quality and consistency. Always get samples and visit factories if possible. Scans of fake suppliers. Stick to variety markets like Xingguang Alliance, hiding costs. Ask about packing, testing, and logistic fee support. Ready to get started sourcing journey? Drop your questions below and I will help you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or more tips. See you in China!